Homemade night cream for clear and younger looking skin. Welcome back to my channel. In a bowl, add 2 to 3 spoons of rosewater. Rosewater acts as a natural moisturizer that helps hydrate and rejuvenate the skin, balance skin's pH levels, and soothe irritated skin. Add few strands of saffron in rosewater. Saffron can help improve skin complexion, reduce the appearance of scars, and give a radiant glow. Let it sit for a few minutes. Add 2 to 3 spoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera acts as a natural humectant, helps lock in moisture, keeping the skin hydrated and preventing it from becoming dry. It can also help reduce inflammation and redness. Mix until it forms a smooth consistency. Add a teaspoon of glycerin in it. Glycerin is also a powerful humectant, attracts and retains moisture, providing a barrier to prevent water loss and soothe dryness. Add 8 to 10 drops of lemon oil. Lemon oil contains natural acids that can help even out skin tone and lighten dark spots or hyperpigmentation. It is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, which can help protect the skin from free radical damage and signs of aging. Mix until everything is well combined. This night cream offers potential benefits, like skin brightening, deep hydration, and also anti-aging properties. Apply a small amount on face and neck every night before going to bed. Massage it gently into the skin. Transfer it into an airtight glass container and keep it in refrigerator. Use within 2 weeks. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.